Hey everyone, ready to level up your writing game? In today's quick guide, I'll walk you through the steps to install the Grammarly Chrome extension. Boost your writing skills effortlessly. Stay tuned for the how-to in just a few seconds. Open your browser of choice. In the video description, you'll find a link. Click on it to open the Grammarly Chrome extension download page. Hit that download button to bring Grammarly into your writing arsenal. Sign up with your email account. Type in your email and password. Click Next to proceed. Click Next to proceed. It's time to make the magic happen. Head to your extension manager by clicking on the icon. For quick access, click Pin to keep Grammarly at your fingertips. And there you have it. Grammarly is now seamlessly integrated into your browser. I hope this tutorial helped you, so please like, comment, and subscribe.